What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to scan for viruses with Windows Defender. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To get started, navigate to the bottom right corner of your Windows 10 desktop and look for the Windows Security Shield icon. If you can't see this icon, then simply search for Windows Security in your taskbar search. Once you found the Windows Security icon, double-click it to open it up. The Windows Security window will appear. Here, select the first option, which is Virus and Threat Protection. Once you select Virus and Threat Protection, you'll see a bunch of options and details here. Under Current Threats, you can either select the Quick Scan button or go to Scan Options. However, to discover more scanning options, let's go to Scan Options. In the Scan Options window, you'll see four main options, namely Quick Scan, Full Scan, Custom Scan and Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Let me break down the meaning of each scanning option so that you can select the one that best suits your needs. If you want to save time, you can use the Quick Scan option to quickly make sure that your system is free from any viruses. It is highly recommended to use the Full Scan option regularly to keep your PC fully protected from unwanted bugs. The Custom Scan option lets you choose which files and locations you want to scan. Lastly, the Microsoft Defender Offline Scan option uses up-to-date threat definitions to perform the scan. It is more time-consuming and will restart your computer to complete the scan. Now that you're well aware of each scanning option, simply select any one option according to your need and click on the Scan Now button at the bottom to run the scan. Windows Defender will start running the scan and will notify you once the scan is complete. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.